Now talking about the course syllabus, we have 17 chapters in the complete course, and now we have framed the syllabus into 4 segments. Okay, the first segment will cover the basics of electrical engineering, almost like till your chapter 7. From chapter 8, okay, we are going to work with design area. Again, in the segment 3, we are going to work with devices like your transformer, generator, UPS. Again, we are going to propose a cable sizing also. Okay, so and the last segment will be your drafting area. Okay, the last segment. So we have 4 segments in the complete. So the first chapter, as I've told you, we are having the basics. So here we are going to understand about the electrical designing, the basics of electrical engineering, because we have the people from different background. So we are going to work with some simple definitions first, like what is meant by voltage, what is meant by current, okay, what is meant by power factor, different types of loads. All those things we are going to understand in the chapter 1. Again, the types of electricity also is covered in the chapter 1. Next, we have the chapter 2, nothing but the basic formulas. So we are having 3 different types of formulas to find out the current value or to find out the power. Again, for every topic, almost I have the thumb rule calculation also. I have the thumb rule calculation because thumb rule is actually a shortcut method in order to propose a device. And thumb rule is not recommended. Only for the quick results or quick answers, okay, I recommend to go with the thumb rules. That's it. Next, we have chapter 3. This is totally theoretical, where we are going to understand the electrical devices, the codes and standards. So the chapter 3 is totally theoretical. So in this chapter, we are going to understand the electrical equipments, the components, the standards and the codes which we are going to follow, the lux level in order to propose a number of lights, the power consumption in terms of loads, again, how to save electrical energy. All these things we are going to work with chapter 3. Again, chapter 4, we have the illumination design, means which type of lighting fixture we are going to choose for the interior side, for the exterior side, and what type of design we have in the lighting. Again, the air conditioning system also. To maintain properties of air, we require the split AC and the window AC. So that is also very important to understand. Again, chapter 5 is the cables. So before going for any new topic, first we are going to work with theoretical part. We are going to understand the parts. Then again, we are going to work with calculation. So first we are going to work with the theoretical part. Again, we are going to work with the calculation part. But this calculation will be only with thumb rule, the shortcut method. In the future classes, we are going to propose with actual, okay, formula. Again, chapter 6 will be the circuit breaker. So again,
sir, in this course, AutoCAD will you train that?
Yes, definitely. We are coming for that. The last segment is your drafting, where we are going to use the AutoCAD. Okay, so any version from AutoCAD 2012 or till AutoCAD 2022, you can use. Nothing to worry. So here you can see we are going to understand about circuit breaker, the specifications. Again, we are going to propose a circuit breaker. Next, we have the chapter 7. So here we are going to understand about capacitor bank, the benefits what we have when you're going to install a capacitor bank, and how to propose a capacitor bank, and about electrical machines. So Mr. Anand, as you have asked about the starters and all those things, in this chapter, inshallah, we are going to discuss in the chapter 7. Okay, so this is the first segment of course till here. Now, after this, we have got second segment, where we are going to work with designing calculation. So from here, we have the complete design calculation. So this is the first class. This will be the first class of the design. So in our designing, we are going to use the National Electrical Codes and National Building Codes and Standards. With this, we are going to work with lighting layout, raw power layout, as well as the air conditioning. And in this also, we are going to cover some basic parts like conversions, because I have seen many engineers who doesn't know how to convert from imperial system to metric system to imperial system. So we are going to cover some basics also regarding the conversions. Again, the load balancing sheet, the backbone of the designing area. Very important, I can say. Very important. To be frank, even I cannot work with load balancing sheet in one single attempt. We have to go with multiple attempts over here, because we need to satisfy the load, we need to satisfy the circuits. Okay, we need to maintain the phase difference also. So all these 3 cannot be achieved in one single attempt. Okay. Next, we have the transformer. Okay, so here we are going to work with the transformer calculations, again the theoretical parts and the parts of transformer. Next, we have the chapter 10, the same thing. First, we are going to discuss about the generator. Again, we are going to propose the generator. In all these calculations, I'm going to assume some loads with any of my projects. Again, I'm going to propose the device. And next, you can see the chapter 11 will be the UPS. Again, we are going to propose the UPS. Again, to run your UPS based upon the backup amount of time, we are going to propose the battery. Next, in chapter 12, have the cable sizing, the voltage drop calculations. Once when you propose a cable, we are going to justify that cable, because cable constitutes almost like 35% cost of your project. 35% in a rough estimation value, you can say. Like, I am going to work with any project. For electrical, for example, I'm getting the total budget of 10 lakh Indian rupee, out of which 3.5 lakh will be only for cable. And majority of the projects will not get approval because of improper sizing of cable only, or majority of the projects will have some serious short circuit issues because of improper sizing of cable. So in order to propose a cable in a proper way, we need to perform the voltage drop calculation. We need to work with short circuit and tripping time. This is a very important and very lengthy calculation. Next, we have the chapter 14. In this chapter 14, we are going to work with four topics. One is the cable tray, earthing, busbar, lightning arrestor. All these four things we are going to work in the chapter 14. Next is chapter 15. So here we are going to cover some basics and the theoretical information about the low current system. The equipments like CCTV public address system, which consumes a current less than 1 or 2 ampere. Okay, those things comes under the low current. Again, the chapter 16 will be your ETAP simulation software. So as the short circuit and the voltage drop and the tripping time is very, very important and a very lengthy calculation. The same calculations we are going to perform by using the ETAP software also, where we are going to first analyze the load. Again, we are going to propose the short circuit values in terms of kiloampere rate. The chapter 17 will be the electrical drafting. So in this electrical drafting, we are going to use the software AutoCAD 2012 is the minimum version recommended, or you can go with any higher version like 2022 also. So in this AutoCAD, we are covering 60 commands, nothing but the basic drawing commands, modify commands, and we are going to learn how to work with electrical agents and how to place all these electrical fixtures also. Next, we are going to use the Dialog software 4.13 version to propose a number of lighting fixture. Okay, two classes we have for this. Again, the ETAP software, as I have told you, we are going to work with two things in this. One is to analyze the load, one is to develop the short circuit values. And in the complete course, we are going to work with two projects. One is in the chapter 8, okay, for the residential building, and one after completion of your chapter 8, okay, for your G+6, ground floor plus 6 floors, typical floor plan. Okay, there I'm going to show you the lighting, raw power, air conditioning, control wiring, circuit wiring, load balancing sheet, everything I'm going. So the softwares, everything I'm going to provide you, nothing to worry about all those things. The same presentation, inshallah, I'll be sharing with you all also. Nothing to worry about all those things.